Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Mivi Collar 2 wireless earphones. Now, this is the front side of the packaging where we can see what the neckband earphones look like. Then on the bottom, they'd like to call out three features. First being that it has powerful bass. Then you get 10 hours of playtime. And the last one is that this uses Bluetooth 5.0. On the right hand side, you've got a little statement saying that this was engineered and made in India. On the left hand side, you've got a slogan that says push the limits. On the underside, you can see all the specifications as well as additional features. So first is that this thing supports lossless audio. It is light and comfortable with in-ear fit. You've got super solid bass thanks to the powerful drivers. It has MEMS mic for crystal clear calls. It's made in India. You've got magnetic backs or magnetic locking for convenience. It offers 10 hours of playtime at mid volume, that's roughly 50%, and it's also rated to be splash and dust proof. Got mention of the warranty period, but you should always check the Amazon store listing page to get exact details of what is covered and for how long. Then at the bottom, you've got the manufacturer and marketer's contact information. That's it for the packaging. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So inside the packaging, you've got multiple accessories, first of which are additional ear tips. These usually come in small and large size. The medium ones come pre-installed on the earbuds, as you can see. Then you've got a charging cable. This is about 15 centimeters long, and it uses a micro USB interface on one end and a USB Type-A interface on the other. Then there's a pouch with all the documentation. So you've got a little note on the inside going through the entire production design journey. Then there's a little thank you note and the user manual. Always read through the user manual to understand exactly how to operate the device properly. Finally, we've got the neckband earphones. The earbuds have a magnetized back, so that's kind of convenient. You've got the control pods on the left hand side of the neckband. The right hand side has nothing. Then you've got the micro USB interface for charging the device at the tip of the left pod. Then you've got the power button, a button to increase the volume, reduce the volume, and lastly there's a little opening at the bottom. This is where you'll find either the microphone or the indicator LED to show the status of the device. So that's it for the unboxing of the Mivi Collar 2 wireless earphones. Thank you for watching.